All right, I'm going to show you how to do the multiply function. Um, this is the spreadsheet that I'm working on. This is an example that's just for me. I want you to create your own. It can be similar, but not with coins, because I want you to apply what you've learned to your own situation. So here I have my coin type. I'm going to count up all my pennies. Let's say I have 35 of them, and I have this spreadsheet set up to automatically put out the money that those 35 pennies would be worth. And in this case, it's 35 cents. So I'm going to show you how I built that by using dimes. So here with dime, I'm just going to put in a random number. Say I have 25 dimes. That just came from the top of my head, just made it up. To multiply, I would need to multiply the 25 dimes by 10 cents, 0.10, to know how much money I have in dimes total. So to do that, anytime you want to do a math function in a spreadsheet or any formula, you start with the equal sign. So I put an equal sign in, and so I want to do this cell. I don't want to do 25 times 0.10 because that 25 may change. I may get more dimes. So I want to multiply this cell. So I clicked that cell, and notice how it put B3 in here, meaning the computer is going to take whatever's here and multiply it. Multiply on a computer is the asterisk sign above the 8. So I hit Shift 8 to get that sign. Multiply it by 0.10 because that's how much a dime is worth, 10 cents. I'm going to hit Enter, and it does the math for me. Now that doesn't look like money, but we learned the other day how to make it look like money. Click here, click on the cell, come up to your toolbar, and click this Format as Currency or Format as Money, and boom, it looks like money. Now, if I happen to get 10 more dimes from someone, and I'm up to 35 dimes, if I change this to 35 and hit Enter, notice how my total here changes. Same with pennies, because I have that formula built in. If I all of a sudden have 75 pennies, that total goes up as well. Let's do it again for quarters. Or sorry, I should have done nickels before dimes. Sorry about that. A random number, let's say I have 4 nickels. Here, I start with the equal sign, and I'm going to multiply this cell. So I click that cell to put in B4. And yes, you could type B4 in there. That's fine. Multiply, which is the asterisk sign, which is above the 8. And I'm going to multiply by 0.05. That's how much a nickel is worth. And hit Enter. Once again, change it to look like money. And there we go. I could go down for quarters, dollar bills, 20, you get the idea. Let me show you what a $20 bill would look like. We'll pretend I have 3 of those. Just once again, that's a random number. This would be equal sign, this cell times 20, no decimal point, and make it look like money. There we go. And it'd be a way to keep track of how much money I have. Now, my title might need to change here. Actually, I'm going to get rid of this 20 guy because I was originally focusing on coins, but you get the idea. Now, that's actually all I'm going to show for here, the multiply function. I'll show you the adding function in another screencast.